DIY butane bottle rocket launcher.
Right, so in this we have our butane powered PVC rocket bottle launcher. So this is what we have here. Kitchen stove light up. Open it up, modify the gas flow. PVC, half inch. Use glue, hot glue to seal it to make the combustion area. Here we are seeing the tip for the spark, the igniter, and the fuel delivery. And here, not sure if you'll be able to see properly. Right. Here, this is the seal where the bottle goes down. We have some vents to allow compression and airflow when the gas is filling. So we get a demonstration here now. So the trigger releases the gas, and then the bottom of the pull will click, and the electrodes will make an arc and light it. So let's go.
At this point, I added a handle to make it easier to hold and adjusted the combustion ring